guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a DEGUSTABOX unboxing because I haven't done one in a while. I haven't been getting boxes, but I've just been opening them and snacking on them straight away, and I'm like, oh, I can't do a review now because I've ate half of them. But I thought I'd come by today. It's a new year, it's January, so I thought why not do a January unboxing. And I got my box today, so I thought I'd bring out a video for you guys to see what I got in my box. And if you want to try the DEGUSTABOX out, I first got my first box with a coupon, and I think everybody gets a half price for their first box, and then you can pay full price. I will put links below and a website. You can check out DEGUSTABOX.co.uk because that's where I live in London, and you can definitely check out the box. It comes with 10 to 12 products every month, and I just love it. I'm going to show you what's inside the box now, so get your tea, get whatever you need, and let's start the unboxing. I might snack on some stuff, I don't know, just depends on how good it looks. But let's get into it. I just opened the box, so this is what it looks like. It's a big box. Let me go back. There it is. It's a big box, and as I said, it comes with 10 to 12 products every month, and it comes packaged very well. The only time a postman ever broke it is when he dropped my alcohol and he didn't know what was inside. He just put it down too heavy at the door for me, and I just thought, why couldn't you wait until I took it from you in my hand? But you know, they send me out a new box, and they're always good like that. They give you a new product. But because I've been with them for so long, they send me out a whole box. So, you know, I love the DEGUSTABOX for that. And I love the fact that they're packaged with all this lovely bubble wrapper thing. When you get it packaged, it will say, open me and eat me, enjoy me, with this little sticker right here. So I'm just going to rip that open. I get so excited with food unboxings because this is the only food unboxing I've ever signed up to, and I just can't unsubscribe from them because I love it so much, and it's so like it's very affordable, and I get good stuff that I never will buy in the supermarket, or new products that come out that I've never seen, and I will like, ooh, let me try it, and I'm falling in love with a lot of the stuff that I've ever gotten in my boxes. So let's see what I got in the January box. Hopefully something fun, because it's the new year, you know. Let's see. So heavy this month. My hair's doing the most. Sorry guys. Alright, I see leaflets, so I'm not going to look at those. Oh, I see a recipe here. That's good. Let's get into the unboxing. I am not going to look. I'm just going to take out stuff one by one. So, first, ooh, I got a Latin American chicken chipotle mayo topping, and it is creamy, hot, and smoky. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I like chipotle. I just do not like stuff too spicy. Hopefully you guys can see. That's it. So that was that look like. I've tried out Latin American before from the DEGUSTABOX. They sent me some stuff before, and I will definitely be trying this one out. It's got some bits in it, so it's probably spicy. It's gluten-free, and it's also suitable for vegetarians, so that's great. So you can check that out in the supermarket, and it's medium hot, so probably not too spicy. I don't think the kids can eat this one, but that's what that looks like. Let's go to the other one. Ooh, sparkling iced tea, and it's called Mate 100% natural sparkling iced tea, and it's 45 calories. That's what it looks like. It's in this nice kind of blue bottle. I'm wondering if the liquid itself is blue. It's like bluish green. You can't see it, but that's what it looks like. definitely want to try this out. It says it helped to revitalize, rejuvenate, and focus. Okay. It says natural Yoruba mate tea from the South American rainforest infused with coconut water and acai berries. Ooh. Serve chill, consume within 3 days of opening. Oh, wow. I can't wait to try this one. I am not a fan of coconut water, but I'll definitely try it because of the acai berries in there. So, yeah, I'm excited for that one. So, let's see what's in the box. Another liquid. Oh, Lighter Life Fast Shake for weight loss made easy. Oh, and it's for people that's on the 5 to 2 diet. It is the vanilla velvet flavor. This is what it looks like. It's the vanilla. Tells you high in protein and all of that. I think it's for people that's on a diet. I'm personally on a weight gain journey, so I'm trying to gain some weight. So this, I can definitely take this because it says 200 calories. So that's 200 calories. I don't mind, you know. I'll add that into something, maybe my serious mass or something like that, just to give it nice vanilla flavor. But yeah, I think I've seen Lighter Life at Superdrugs, that brand. So you can probably check out. Hopefully it focuses for you guys. You probably saw that. Yeah. So I think that they sell this at Superdrugs, and you can definitely look for those. It is quite a big bottle, so we'll check at the end how much the price for this is. So let's see what else is in the box. I get so excited. Ooh, something squishy. Oh, marshmallows. Mallow and Marsh coconut marshmallow bar, and it's under 100 calories. That's what that one looks like. It looks good. I want to try it. It's so soft. Ooh, I want to squish it. It's like squidgy. Okay, let's see what is in here. I think I want to try it. Oh. Look at that, guys. It's like a coconut marshmallow. Oh my god. You see what I'm talking about when I said that? Sometimes I can't do a whole unboxing if I open it. I like this. I didn't even read what's in it. I had to put that down. I had half of it. It's beautiful. Ooh, let me just leave that there, because if I pick it up, I won't even read what's on it. Let's just get on to the other one. Oh, we got some tea. Alright, we got some Clipper tea. Clipper, they sell this brand in England. And it says 10 bags of everyday organic. Okay. So this is organic ones. And it's unbleached. So that's good. I've never tried unbleached ones. And I get a free sample voucher inside. It's great. And it's rich and full-bodied everyday morning. It's like for morning. Well, it should be in time. But, yeah. It says that you're not meant to put anything in there. Probably it's just like tea that you don't put milk in. So I'll definitely try that out. But I like milk in my tea sometimes. So we'll see if that tastes nice with milk. But I wanted some tea. I wanted some new tea than just drinking normal tea. So next I got this another Lighter Life shake. This thing that just ate is giving me a sugar rush. And this one is in Strawberry Passion. And this color, pink. And this one is also 201 calories. I definitely can't wait to try these out. This is strawberry flavored meal replacement shake with skimmed milk and milk proteins. Yum yum. My son might like this one more than the vanilla one, so we'll see. I definitely want to try these out. Look, it's not showing properly for you guys. Don't know. This lighting probably is too bright. It's just got this nice detailing around the bottle. Da 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 da. Alright, next thing we're gonna talk about is the bottle. We got some glass kind of bottle going on. Robinsons. I love the fact that they wrap these up like carefully. Robinsons raspberry rhubarb and orange blossom fruit cordial. Oh, I love stuff like these. Can't wait to try it out. It looks so yummy. Yep, I can't wait. I don't know if you need to mix this with water, but I'm definitely going to try this. Yes, it's got 14 servings, so definitely need to mix it with some water. So let's see what's next quickly. We got some tuna fish, albacore wild tuna steaks from Wild Planet. Love those. We're definitely going to use that. What's this box? Oh, this box is open as well. I don't know why. It probably got squashed by the heavy bottle underneath it. I mean, on top of it. Okay, so I'm looking at the back. This is high protein, high fiber, organic edamame, and mung bean fettuccine. That sounds interesting and yummy. It's by Explore Cuisine. It's vegan friendly, gluten free. And you cook it like this. Looks quite easy, but look guys, it's green. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try it. This is the first thing apart from the marshmallows I'm gonna try. Can't wait to try those. They look so yummy. And they give you a recipe on the box. Alright, next. Oh, I found some little stuff. What's these? Got 2 of these. Normally get 2 of everything sometimes in these boxes. I got 2 of these Fruitsly from Jordan's, and then the juicy red berry ones. I got 2 same flavors. I like fruit bars, you know, when you need a quick sweet snack if you don't want to eat chocolate. Always like those. Oh, I got another one. So they gave me 2. Thank you so much, because that one was finished in no time. I finished it. Yeah, I did. I left half, but I have to finish it. So I got another one of these marshmallows. I'm definitely going to buy more of these. These are star quality. Hershey's chocolate. I saw it. I didn't even look in the box, and then I saw it. So I got some Hershey's chocolate. I think these are, yeah, the small mini ones. It's cookies and cream, and they're a pack of 5. Pack of 5 liquid Hershey's. Oh, I can't wait to try these. I haven't eaten Hershey's in years. Even though I used to see them over here in Pound Shop and stuff, I haven't bought them, but I love them. Ooh, more little things. I got 2 of these. They're from the brand Pulsin Whey Protein, and also got a Pulsin Protein Booster bar. Ooh. And I've got whey protein. This is great because I'm on a weight gain journey. So I'm going to definitely be using these to add into my stuff. This is the vanilla flavor whey protein. It's good for vegetarians. And this one is a vanilla flavored bar. Lastly, I got this Latin American mix. So that's it for the video, guys. That's it for the unboxing. Before I go, I got some recipes that I'm definitely going to be trying out for the pasta. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Focus. Oh gosh, well, just some simple recipes and what I got in my January box. If it's going to focus today. It's ridiculous. Right, so there we go. Turn the lighting down. So that's what we got in the January box. It tells you everything listed on there. So the Mai Tai sparkling tea, $1.49. The Clippers was free gift sample. The protein booster and whey protein were $1.99. The 2 milkshakes from Lighter Life was $2.49. The mung bean fettuccine, £3. Robinson's Cardinal, $2.49. Hershey's £1. I did see them in a pound shop. The Colombian spicy mix for the chicken is 90p. The 2 Fruisley bars are 45p. The Chipotle mayo, 180. The marshmallows, coconut marshmallows are 2, it's 135. And the tuna steaks are £3.49. So it is a great box. It's a great January box. I hope you guys check out the DEGUSTABOX. So yeah, so that's what the leaflets look like. I got like the same stuff, and I'll definitely be trying these stuff and the recipe out for this peanut butter smoothie. That's definitely gonna help me gain some weight. Look out for that on my channel. Oh, this lighting is just rubbish. So that's it. Banana peanut butter smoothie. And that's the protein stuff I'm going to be using in it. So I'm going to be doing a video on me trying out these products, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I'm going to put the links below for the DEGUSTABOX and how much it is and all that jazz. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again soon. I hope you like this unboxing. Give it a thumbs up and share it to anybody who likes a food delivery. Is great. Try it out. You won't be disappointed.